Now that you've got it down how to find your favorite TV shows and movies to watch on Hulu, I'll go over how to watch them. Here I am on the show page for the series 24. And I want to watch this episode, so I'll just click on it and it will load in the player at the top of the screen. Now first, a brief advertisement like this will play. And then after the ad plays, the show will start. And here it is. You can pause it right here. You can choose to view it at full screen. Clicking here will pop the player out of your browser window so you can watch the show even if you navigate away from Hulu.com. One of my favorite features is lower lights. I tend to watch Hulu a lot at night, and I love that I can darken the screen. You can also choose to watch it in high resolution. If you'd like to embed the episode in your own website or blog, just copy this code. You can even use these sliders to choose just a specific part of the show too. Click Preview to see what will play. You can share it with friends via email by entering in their email addresses here. Post it to your favorite social networking sites. And if you have friends on Hulu, which I'll get into in episode 5 in the series, you can share it with them easily here. Clicking on the eye will show you information about the episode you're watching. One really nice thing about Hulu is that during a series show, all you see is a few very brief commercials. An advertisement will play wherever you see the little white dot in the timeline. Thanks for watching, and don't miss the next episode in your guide to finding great video on Hulu series.